Interested in increasing your FX trading profit without additional investments or risk? Try FxCash Spread Rebate. Trade as you usually do, and your broker will credit you with FxCash Rebate that will appear on your account. The rebate amount you can earn depends on your broker's terms and conditions. With FxCash Rebate, your break-even trades become profitable. Loss on unsuccessful trades is somewhat compensated, while your profit on winning trades increases. All this boosts your overall trading income. Let's make some calculations. Find the rebate calculator on the FxCash homepage. Select any broker from the list and start your calculations. So here's the amount you lose by not leveraging Spread Rebate. To open an account with rebate options, sign up for an FxCash account first. Fill out all required fields, enter your phone number, and create a password. Once you are signed in, go to your client area and choose a broker that fits you in the Open Trading Account tab. You can then proceed to opening an account immediately or learn some more details about this broker in the description tab. Once you've opened an account, enter its ID in your FxCash client area. That's it. Now you can start trading just as you usually do, but now you will be getting immediate extra income with each closed trade. FxCash is your #1 rebate service. Choose only regulated brokers, more than 30,000 users. Some of the best rebates in the industry. Easy to sign up, user-friendly interface. FxCash is always on your side in case of any disputes or legal issues. Any questions? FxCash professional customer support will guide you through the world of online trading.